10 AI powered apps right inside of Canva, which are extremely powerful. I'm sure you would not want to miss them out. Stay with me for the entire video because I also have some bonus features right at the end. So without wasting any more time, let's go through them. Want to make your presentations unforgettable? This first AI powered app inside of Canva will help you create whiteboard animations. Let's check it out. Just come here and click on create design. Click on presentation. We'll go to this app section. Then we'll click on AI powered. Then we'll type speed painter. Then you'll see this app. Just select this and just install this app inside your Canva. Then it'll ask you to select your picture. Just click on choose. Select the relevant image. Here I've selected this image. Then you can come here and select the duration for the animation between 1, 3, 5 and 10. You can select whether you put the duration of the color fill between 1, 3, 5 and 10 again. You can check or uncheck fill with color. And you can check or uncheck the hand sketch animation effect. Once everything is done, just click on generate. Then you'll see the result here. Simply click on add to design. Once added to your presentation page, you can simply click on play to see the result. Let's hop on to the next one. Now you can also transform your photos into animated images thanks to an AI powered app right inside Canva. Once again, just go to apps, click on AI powered image, then type image animate, click on this, then you'll find this, just select this, then simply drag and drop your image, and then here you just select an image in the design to animate. Let's just select this image. The image gets uploaded here. Here you can either choose auto animate or you can choose the motion parallax effect. You can play around with the range of the motion, the animation length and the number of loops. Let's try motion parallax. You can also choose the camera path here, whether you want it horizontal, vertical, circular, from all of these options available. Let's try step left and I'll simply click on generate. And here the result is ready. Let's just click on this. I'll just click on play and we'll see the result. Right. Let's move on to the next one. Now you can use an AI powered app inside of Canva to even manipulate your photos. Let's check it out. Once again, I'll go to apps. I'll click on AI powered dream face. I'll click on this. I'll install the app. I'll just click on open file. I'll choose a file here. I'll once again choose this picture that I downloaded from Midjourney. I'll click on upload. Describe the desired facial features. Pretty female with bob cut, black hair, and then I'll just click on generate. So this is the result we have, reasonably accurate. And see the result. Here the hair has been made shorter, not exactly up to the mark, but it seems promising. The next one is a fun one. It will let you turn your children's pictures into fun 3D art pieces. So once again, come to apps, click on AI powered, click on Boxel Art. Here you'll find this, just select this, click on open, and once again just choose the file, then just click on generate and replace. And here the image has been created into this cool piece of voxel art. The next app inside of Canva will help you make all of your code stand out with very fun caricatures, and maybe you can use it for just other marketing and presentation materials. So once again, we'll just come here and click on apps. Then here we'll write Caricature Maker. Then we'll find this, just click on this. We'll click on open. And here we can just describe what we want. Elon Musk driving a car. I'll click on create caricature. Let's see the result. And this is the result we've got. So this could be a fantastic use case if we could use this as a background with other fun quotes and other graphic written in front of this. Next, you will love this tool. It's called an AI people maker. So simply once again, we'll go to apps. We'll once again select AI powered. Here we'll type people maker. You'll find this, click on this. Then you'll find this, click on this. And it'll help you create synthetic humans. Just click on this open tab. And here you can go through all these options to create your own synthetic human. Let's create one. I'll select female, I'll select adult, expression happy, surprised, okay, let her be happy. Let's click on create person, and just like that, these synthetic humans have been created based on the description selected here. This particular image is not very sharp and this one's okay. This next app lets you create amazing and creative QR codes. So simply once again go and click on apps, click on AI powered, then we'll just type hello QR art. We'll find this, we'll just click on this, then we'll click on open, and we'll just paste our URL here, and then we can just describe the kind of image we would like in the QR code. I'll just type t-shirt streetwear and I'll click on generate, and this is the result, a QR code for a t-shirt company. Next, we'll also be able to use AI to create images right inside of Canva thanks to Google's AI image generator. Once again, we'll go and click on apps, we'll click on AI powered, then we'll just type imagine, which is Google's AI image generator. We'll select this, we'll click on open, and now let's just describe something that we would like to create, and we'll just click on generate. So these are the results we've got. Not bad. These are quite good actually. And I guess the more descriptive one gets, better images and better results. Canva also has an AI video generator inside. So to use this, we'll come here and click on Magic Media. We'll come and click on videos. And here let's just describe something to create a video using Canva's AI. I'll use the same example, a red boat in blue sea, and I'll just click on generate video. So let's look at the result from the AI video generator. Just click on play. Unfortunately, the boat is not in the sea. Let's try out another option. A red car on a muddy road. I'll click on generate video. Here once again the car is not moving for some reason. Maybe I need. So now you have a feature inside of Canva which will let you expand the background of the image just like Photoshop's generative fill. To use this, just simply click on this, click on edit image, come here and click on magic expand. Let's select whole page and click on this, and let's see the magic. And here Canva has expanded this image. It's put in a photo frame. Here we have options to select from. I think this one looks the best out of all. So let's just select this and let's click on done. Another feature of theirs is called magic grab. Simply select the image, click on edit image, click on magic grab. Either you can use the click feature or you can select a brush. You can adjust the size of the brush here. Just simply select the portion you would like to grab from an image. And here, now we can just move this image anywhere we like. Let's say if I want this to be left aligned, I can shift this image here and I can add other stuff here. So this was a pretty cool feature. I think I'll take this all the way here and put this couple against the wall. Great. Another very useful feature right inside of Canva where you can just click this, come here and click on resize and magic switch. And here you have this option of resizing this image into various other formats. For instance, just come here and click on social media, and it lets you resize this image for an Instagram reel as a portrait, an Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram ad, animated Instagram post, Facebook video, and all these various other options. Let's quickly look at an example. I'll click on Instagram post, which is basically a square image. I'll click on continue, and it also gives you the option of copying and resizing the image or just resizing this image. So I'll obviously copy and resize. Canva has resized this image into a suitable Instagram post. Pretty amazing. And for the last feature of the day, I was working on this website for a client, and you have this amazing option of changing this entire web design post into some other format for your social media. All you have to do is just come here and click on this. Then we can just come here and click on resize and magic switch. Come here and click on translate into doc, and come here and click on these three dots and see all these amazing options it gives you to automatically reformat your content into another requirement. For instance, let's just click on LinkedIn post, click into transform into doc, and now Canva will turn this entire website material into a suitable LinkedIn post. And here that single page from that website has been converted into a suitable LinkedIn post for me. Really enjoyed this feature. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video over here where we have discussed an AI powered editing tool by Descript. It's extremely powerful. I hope you enjoyed that video also. Thank you and see you in the next video.